This segment is sponsored by CR Toys.
Here with Mallory Wheeler at CR Toys, and we are talking fun things for Easter. But first, we're starting with some great educational books that you have.
So we
here.
just got back in our summer bridge books. So if you guys are not familiar with these, the way that they work, they are set up. They go from pre-K to kindergarten all the way up to 7th going into 8th grade. They say not to jump up grade levels. Like they're in pre-K right now, you'd want the pre-K going into kindergarten. There are 3 different chapters. 20 pages per chapter, so it's kind of like a page or 2 a day over the summer. And then the first 2 chapters work on what the kids would have already learned in pre-K, and then the last chapter kind of gets somebody for going into kindergarten. But then the fun incentive for the kids to complete the entire book is if they finish it, they can bring it back to us in August or September, and they get 50% off of one item in the store, except for Legos. And Legos is the only restriction. Like our big swings, we'll do those half price. All of our stuffed animals, we do those half price.
It's really a great
deal. They
are
are great, and it's such a good, like I had a mom come in last week, and she said that she will do it every year, that her son was struggling a little bit, did these over the summer, and she said from here on out, she goes, one of the teachers even mentioned that she's like, usually when we test out the kids, you know, in August, they're usually under, and she's like, I've never seen anybody that actually goes over when they're doing it, because they lose. They say that they lose up to 70% of everything they've learned. And she says it's all because of these that he is where he's at in school.
That's awesome.
So I highly recommend these. So if you guys haven't done,
if you're traveling, going to grandma and grandpa's, anywhere, take
cute
those
for an
along.
Easter basket. So
Good for an Easter basket.
Yes.
Speaking of Easter basket, filling up your Easter basket, lots of things to fill it up with.
Yes, we have tons of bunnies. If you guys want some bunny stuffed animals.
So cute.
They are so cute.
That's cute.
So soft.
Yes.
I did the curly-haired one. My Kinley had to have that one last year for.
Really adorable.
But they're just so soft.
Yes.
And we have, you guys, this is like not even 5% of everything that we've got in the store.
Seriously.
So we have tons.
And little bunny keychains.
There's keychains. There's our little.
Yeah, I was going to ask what those are.
So they're like a slow release.
Oh, okay.
So we've got 3 different sizes for these that are the bunnies.
Okay.
We have these little guys here that they can squish.
I like those.
So, yeah, tons
Is this
and
one
tons.
of the ones that, oh, that's a soft one. You don't put, but you have the ones that you can put in the microwave too, right?
We do,
and,
yes. Yep,
you know,
our
nice
warmy ones, yes. We have a couple different, there's a pink bunny and then a brown bunny. We've got 2 different sizes for the pink bunnies.
Oh, and what do we have here?
And so these,
speaking.
we just got these in.
Okay.
So we've always carried, at Christmas time, we have the trees. So these are little birds. And so you fill it up. It comes with a magic water.
Okay.
And so you put it into the bottom of it. And then within, what would you say, Connie, about an hour, we had crystals already growing on this.
That is
And so
cool.
this is after we did this about 5 o'clock yesterday. And so it takes about 4 hours for it to be fully done.
And they're all different birds then, right?
Yes. So there's this one here that's kind of your little.
So cool.
Yeah. But yeah, there's 4 different styles of the birds. But yeah, you just add the solution to the bottom of it, and it just seeps up through. And then,
those are like little crystals, huh?
Yeah.
It reminds me of, there used to be something else like this. I can't think of what it was. Not the thing that grows hair. What was that thing?
We had a little Christmas tree.
Maybe that, yes, maybe that was it. Because look at, they're all, you can see the different colors through here. So you can kind of get, but you don't know what it's going to turn out to be.
Correct.
You know,
so
that's
yeah,
what's so fun of
they're
those.
They're so cute and super easy to do. This was done within 4 hours. I mean, it's something that the kids can constantly watch too.
And then keep when you're done with it.
Yes, keep coming back.
Eggs, put them
They'll
in
last for 3 to 4 days. So
that's really cute.
Yeah, super, super cute.
And we have to show these books because it says the Easter Bunny, is coming to Nebraska?
Yes, we've got 2 different ones.
Yes, and tell them what's so special about these.
So I love these 2 because then they'll mention different towns in Nebraska, so it'll do Kearney and Grand Island. They'll do different landmarks. So it'll do Chimney Rock. It'll do Mahoney Park.
That's neat.
So it just kind of brings a little bit to the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of special that way.
Nebraska book, for Easter. And then these ones, How to Catch the Easter Bunny. First thing I said when I looked at this is look how colorful it is.
Yes.
And this is a, what does it say? From the New York Times, a best-selling author and illustrator.
Yeah.
And I believe it after seeing all these colorful pictures on here.
Yeah, they are so cute. I love any of the books for Easter. So yes.
Lots of fun books here. And again, these are great. These books, what are these called again? The
Summer Bridge books.
Yes, put those in your Easter basket.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah, we have a lot more coming up from CR Toys that we're going to show you after the break. So stay with us, friends. We'll be right back.
Welcome back to TV's Good Life. Always so much fun coming to CR Toys. A lot of Easter things. I tell you what, chickens are pretty popular, aren't they?
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
Okay.
We have some cute ones.
The chicks are in. The chicks are in.
Yes. So we can kind of go over. So we've got tons of different stuffed animals for the chickens.
Now those are just regular stuffed animals.
Yes. These are.
That one's really, they're really pretty.
It's a puppet.
Oh, this is a puppet. Oh, oh. Oh. You shouldn't have shown me that. 'Cause isn't that cute? The poultry sum. That is fun.
He is cute.
Do you have a lot of, you have a whole bunch of puppets, don't you?
Yes, yes. We have that one. There's a duck one. There's some bunny ones.
Good morning.
We had my favorite one. We sold it within like 2 days of getting it. We had a giant one. I mean, it was like this big that you could like do your hands in it, and
oh,
so
that's cute. Oh,
they're just so soft. Like Folk Manus makes the best puppets.
Oh.
Like they're so soft, they're so realistic looking. I mean, that one not so much, but all of their other ones, they are cute.
That's adorable. Okay, okay. Put that away. Put that away.
I think.
Oh, that's pretty too.
I don't know.
But this one is like Sherpa soft.
Yes.
I mean, there's a level of softness. This one's to that next. Ooh.
I just think he's so cute. And this one.
That is fun.
Can you go?
That's adorable. That's adorable.
You were playing with these?
Yes. I mean, for
They're
the
little
niece.
puffers, yeah.
So if somebody doesn't really know what to get their kid, their grandkid, their niece, their nephew, can you build a basket? I mean, is that something that you guys do?
So yeah, if you kind of come in and tell us what you're looking for, yeah, we will definitely help you out and pick out some items, or you can call in and kind of, and like I've done in the past, like, or you call in, kind of give us an idea of what you're thinking. We can send you pictures and get you all ready.
Because,
yes.
I mean, I wouldn't even know where to start, but you know where everything is in the store.
Yep, kind of give us some ages, and yeah, we will.
And there's something about being tactile. I mean, there's just something that is just,
yes,
that's fun.
definitely.
And this is like in every color.
And then we've got our egg amazing.
Okay, oh, that's how you.
So. If you guys have not done this one, we've carried it for years now. It is still one of our favorites. We didn't carry it like 2 years ago, and we got so many requests as to why we didn't have it, so we brought it back last year, again this year. So it's super easy. So you put your hard-boiled egg in here, you turn it on, it spins it, and then you have markers, and you just hold it up, and it will do lines. You can kind of get creative with it. It's so easy. It's not the mess of having all of the dies.
Exactly.
They are great. We've got this one here, and then this is new.
Do the markers come with that?
It does.
Okay, so you don't even have to buy markers.
This one is a dinosaur one, and it actually comes with 2 little dinosaurs, too, that it comes with eggs themselves, too. So you've got those 2 eggs to decorate, and then you've got your hard-boiled ones.
Fun. And this is squishy eggs?
Yeah, so those are kind of like the bunnies that we just had on, so you can decorate them, and then you can squeeze them, and they have that slow release. And so it comes with the paint and everything like that. So you decorate them, let them dry, and then some fun eggs.
I know that a lot of this is, you think geared toward kids, but if you are in assisted living, or if you are in a nursing home, or just wanting to do something crafty,
how
much fun would that be if you're
for sure.
looking ahead to doing that? That's fun.
Definitely.
Okay.
And then we've got our experiment eggs.
Okay.
So these come with 6 different experiments in the container, so you can break them up. You can give it as a set, however you want to do it. But it's got like our fake snow that you like add water to and it puffs up like real snow. There's the little Orby beads. There's beads that you can take outside into the sunlight, and they are solar beads, and so they'll change colors in the sunlight, so you can make a little bracelet. There's slime. So like there is 6 different experiments to do in this set, so it is fantastic.
That's awesome. Wow.
So yeah, if you have
great idea.
Anybody that way, you have some younger kids. These are little stackers. They're kind of like the Russian stacking dolls.
Yes.
And so they can put them all in there for the little nester, but then they can stack them on top too.
Yeah. And what is this guy right here?
So this one is kind of like I think it's like the Kerplunkel game or whatever it is. So if I'm going first, they have little slots in here. So I would turn this chicken so he's facing me, and then I pull out one of his feathers, and I hope that it doesn't drop any eggs.
Oh.
So then it would be your turn. So you would pull out one of the feathers. It doesn't matter where you pull it out from.
Okay.
And so we'll just kind of go. So you just keep going. And you don't want to be, so if it would be on my side, I would get the 1 egg.
Oh, very good.
And then whoever has the least amount.
You're going to want to stay with us because we have a lot more coming to you live from Sierra Toys. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.